Today on the Recipe Rebel, we are making cheeseburger soup. It's one of my favorite soups, super thick and creamy and hearty. I know you guys are gonna love it. To start, we're gonna brown some lean ground beef and onion in a big Dutch oven or soup pot. Next, we'll add in our spices, salt and pepper, minced garlic, ground mustard, and dried parsley. Now that everything is in the pot, we are just going to bring it up to a simmer, put the lid on, and let it cook until everything is tender. So our veggies are totally cooked now. We're just going to stir together some cornstarch and cream to thicken our soup, and then we're gonna add in the cheese, because what is a cheeseburger soup without lots of cheese?